Hey everyone, if you're experiencing stuttering or freezes in Path of Exile 2 even though your system and internet are running fine, I've got a quick fix for you that worked for me. Let's get started. First head over to your system settings. From there go to display and scroll all the way down to graphics. Now look for an option that says add an app. If you don't see Path of Exile or Path of Exile 64 listed, click on add desktop app, then find your Path of Exile game folder and add both versions. Once they're added, you'll want to check the GPU settings. Make sure it's set to your GPU and not your CPU. This will ensure the game uses the right graphics processor and prevent unnecessary lag. Next, find your Path of Exile 2 folder on your PC. It should be in your Steam library. Then go to Steam Apps, Common, and finally Path of Exile 2. In that folder, look for the following files: Minimap, Shader Cache D3, D12. If you're using Vulkan, you might also see Shader Cache Vulkan. Delete all those files. Don't worry, they'll regenerate when you launch the game again. Now when you first load into the game, you might experience a couple of minutes of stuttering. That's just the new shaders reloading. Once they're done, you should notice smooth, stutter-free gameplay. Give this a try and let me know in the comments if it works for you.